Hi, welcome to Yard GrowingSA. In today's video we'll be talking about fertilizer, liquid fertilizer and worm casting. Let's get to it. I'm going to show you one example why you need to fertilize your containers every 4 to 6 weeks. When you water them, and the water's all leaking out. So that is most of your nutrients. So that's most of your nutrients going out as well. There's 3 fertilizers I use. At the moment I'm showing the 2. So it's the liquid fertilizer and the pellets. So let's first talk about the pellets and then we can go to the liquid and then I'll show you the worm casting. Okay, so here's the pellets. This one helps with the flowering, like your tomatoes and all the fruits that is flowering, fruits and even your plants. And then we have the guan pellets, and every time I say that it just reminds me of Ace Ventura because of the guan droppings. So this one's help with root vegetables. So this is gonna help with carrots, beetroot and any root vegetables like turnips and things like that. So I'll just show you how this ones look. So here's the pellets. So this you want to add every 4 to 6 weeks. So when you apply these pellets, this one is going to take 50 grams for the big plants, and for smaller plants will be 25 grams. And this one for your root vegetables is going to take 100 grams and 50 grams for smaller plants, 100 grams for bigger plants. So let me just go show you how I apply this. Okay, so this is the lemon tree. I'm gonna add the flowering fertilizer. They help it grow more leaves. So I'm just gonna move the mulch aside. You can add it on top of the mulch too, but you can also move the mulch aside if you like. For this tree is bigger, so I'm gonna add 50 grams. So this tree is bigger, so I'm gonna add 50 grams. So with that's gonna take about 2 to 3 weeks to get down. So it's gonna take about a week or 2 to settle in. So I'll just keep on watering and we'll just keep on going down. So it's a slower fertilizer. With my rosemary bushes, I'm gonna add 25 grams each because they are smaller trees. But with this one, I'm not gonna move the mulch. I'm just gonna throw it on top of the mulch. So this is the rosemary bush and this is a wild rosemary bush. Can you see the foliage is different? And when I'm done with that, I just water them. So this is the first liquid one. This is bananas. Show you. Okay, so you see all the bananas, I just throw the peels all in here in water and just let it rest for about a month. And then when it's a nice like this, then I start throwing it in bottles. Yeah, so that's how I make the banana liquid. Let me just show you how to dilute it. Okay, so here I got a 5 liter bottle. So what I do is, this is a 1.5 but I use a liter. So for every liter of the banana water I use 4 liters of normal tap water or rainwater. And I'm gonna add the 4 liters of water in here, and then I'm gonna show you how I add this to the plants, and I do this every 2 weeks. Here's my Brussels sprouts. The sun is cooking it at the moment, so that's why they're looking so, but they're fine. So I'm just gonna add some of the banana water now here. And when I add, I don't try to throw too much at a time so that the water can settle nicely in the soil. So this is where the worm casting is in. There's the leaves. There's worms, can you see? I'm just going to close it up. Then this is the liquid that comes out of there that I use also. Worm casting, what is done, and this is the liquid that came out of there. So this liquid I will use every 4 to 6 weeks, and I'll only add like 500 milliliters to, and then I'll add 4.5 liters of water. And the worm casting will use as fertilizer. So that you can use when you start in your new seedlings, when you're going to plant them into the ground, or if you planted them already and they started germinating, then you can just add some of this. So thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, and if you enjoyed what you saw, leave a like. Thank you for watching. Backyard out.